The San Andreas Continental Transform Fault is one of the most famous active tectonic faults on the planet, located in the state of California, USA. The fault was formed due to the sharp movement of the Pacific and North American lithospheric plates. This fault serves as their boundary and stretches for approximately 793 miles, 1,276 kilometers. The fault begins in Mexico, runs through the state from south to north, passing near Los Angeles and San Bernardino, and then extends into the waters of the Pacific Ocean beneath San Francisco. It was first discovered in 1895 by Canadian geologist Andrew Lawson from the University of California, Berkeley. The San Andreas Fault is not just a geological structure but also a colossal, continuously functioning mechanism that triggers powerful earthquakes along its entire length. The most memorable earthquake occurred in San Francisco in 1906, which nearly destroyed the city. At its seismic peak, the earthquake reached a magnitude of 7.9 on the Richter scale. The fault was the cause. The epicenter was just 1.9 miles, 3 kilometers, from the city. The earthquake caused the ground along the San Andreas Fault to shift by up to 26 feet, 8 meters. The earthquake triggered a massive dust storm, destroying 80% of buildings, and cut off the city's water supply. After this disaster, the San Andreas Fault gained widespread public attention. It was named after the San Andreas Mountain in California. Earthquakes along the fault are the result of stress accumulation and release between the lithospheric plates. According to initial estimates, the San Andreas Fault formed about 30 million years ago. However, recent studies suggest it could be between 40 to 50 million years old. The depth of the fault is 407 feet, 124 meters, voids, while the actual plate fracture, crack, extends 10 miles, 16 kilometers, into the Earth's crust. These measurements were obtained by geologists using sonar. In some places, the fault is not very visible from the surface and resembles more of a ravine. The largest cracks in the Earth's crust are located on the Carrizo Plain, north of Los Angeles. Geologists have recorded that the lithospheric plates beneath the fault move very slowly, and their movement is not constant. The plates shift at a rate of about 1.2 to 1.6 inches, 3 to 4 centimeters, per year. This movement is particularly noticeable on roads crossing the fault, where road markings are visibly offset and frequent road repairs are evident. To this day, minor earthquakes occur annually along the fault line. However, significant earthquakes have historically occurred approximately every 150 years over the past 800 years, according to scientific research. Geologists believe the fault could trigger another major earthquake at any time, potentially with severe consequences. As a result, buildings along the fault line are constructed using special technologies designed to withstand seismic activity. Bridges are built with metal beams filled with concrete, a design intended to prevent total collapse during an earthquake. The San Andreas Fault attracts many tourists due to its scenic landscapes. Some sections of the fault are accessible to visitors, with informational signs explaining its geological history. Fun fact: in 2015, an action-packed movie starring famous American actor Dwayne Johnson was released. The film is titled San Andreas. Filming took place in California, within the vicinity of the fault itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the video interesting.